Hello there and welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be having a look at the advanced techniques for the reel, the steam packet. If you haven't already learned the steam packet, I'll put a link on screen for you now. And the steam packet is played with another reel called the floating crowbar. If you haven't learned that one already, put a link on screen now for you. Okay, so what we're going to do in this video is I'm going to jump straight into the different techniques. We'll learn as many as we can, and at the end I'll play you a version of the steam packet with some of those techniques in for you so that you can get an idea of what it should sound like, and then you can start adding them in yourself. Okay, please like the video if you like the video, please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so, and drop us a comment if there's anything you'd like to see done on the channel. Anyway, let's crack on with the steam packet. Okay, phrase 1 we have. So whenever we have this G, G, one of them long, one of them short, we'll turn that into a treble. Next phrase. Next phrase again. Okay, so that's the first 3 phrases. We're taking out those long G's with the quaver afterwards, just making them all into trebles. And then we'll treble the F natural as well. What you can also do to vary up those G's, it's quite a lot, you can turn them into G, F sharp G's. Now, that doesn't sound good all the time, but you can vary it. And I turn the F natural into F natural, E, F natural. Just gives you a bit of scope, just something to change it up, because this A part's very repetitive. Into the B part, same rule applies. Change the G's into trebles. That's the first couple of bars. Why don't we turn those into G, F sharp G's? Sounds a little better in the second octave. And that's kind of a mix. Next phrase is the same. Then you've got, take the C sharp out, turn it into a treble. Then we're on the bottom line. So rather than we're going to treble the A. So the A, B, A turns into an A treble, and the F, E, F turns into an A treble. So the only single quaver notes are the G's. So turn the E, G into a triplet. And it's E, F sharp, G. But this long run here, let's have a look at it. A, G, F sharp for the first triplet. G, F sharp, E for the second triplet. G, F sharp, D for the third triplet, then E, C sharp. Alternatively, you could do this. So we're taking away the F sharp and we're making the A into a crotchet. And then immediately tripleting the G, F, E on the way down. And then F, D, E, C sharp is played normally. So coming from the bar before it, a bit slower. I think that's a nice way to play that at the end. Okay, so there's a good few techniques in there to use in this tune. Basically the entire A section is a G roll linked together with a few different notes. So let's just crack through it. I'll play it for you kind of at a slower pace so that you can get a really good listen to it. Okay, this is the steam packet. Okay, hope that was useful. Thanks very much.